Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do an Asus Zenfone 3 back camera replacement. These are the tools you'll need here. It's a plastic spudger, a Phillips screwdriver, a razor blade, as well as the SIM card ejector. You'll also need a heat gun, so you're going to just heat up the back here. You're going to want to take your razor blade and go in really gently along the sides here. You can use a guitar pick or a card. I prefer to use a razor blade. It's a little bit more precise. Once you get it open, there's going to be 9 screws that you have to remove on the upper plastic back plate. Now you don't have to worry about laying these ones out. They're all the same size. Once you've taken all 9 of the screws out, you'll want to go in with the plastic spudger to disconnect the cellular antenna as well as the home button and fingerprint reader connector. So carefully disconnect that before you remove it. And don't forget to take out the SIM tray. So we're going in with the plastic spudger to disconnect the battery, the LCD ribbons, the side power button, front-facing camera, back-facing camera, and the charge port. So once you have all of those disconnected, you're going to want to remove 3 screws. Those ones I would keep in order just in case. So go in with the plastic spudger just to gently wiggle the motherboard out of place here. Be very gentle. Make sure you're not damaging any of the flex cables. So once you have that removed, you'll want to connect your new back-facing camera into the motherboard and then kind of gently shimmy it in. Make sure everything's out of the way so that you can reconnect everything. We're going to go back through, reconnect all the front-facing camera, back-facing camera, power button, battery. And you're going to want to take the screws, the 3 screws for the motherboard, put those back in. Now we're going to go grab the plastic back plate and put it back in. Just clips right in. Make sure you have your little cellular antenna out of the way so you don't squish it, because that does go over top of the plastic plate. And just gently reconnect it, and the fingerprint reader as well. And once you're done with all that, you're going to want to put the 9 screws back in. Grab the SIM tray, pop it back in, and just put the back glass back on. Usually you want to put some double-sided adhesive tape on there just to keep it stuck on, but that's basically it. Alright, thanks again for watching, guys. Like and subscribe.